Breathes there a man with soul so dead, who never to himself hath said, "This is my own, my native land." These words from Sir Walter Scott's Lay of the Last Minstrel depict how we, the Sounds of Freedom, feel about our country, America. As we celebrate 200 years of freedom, perhaps it is time to once again get that lump in the throat feeling when we pledge allegiance to our flag. Perhaps we should all be more vocal in telling everyone that America is still the best there is. We can't change the past, but we can work together for the future. And if we have the courage to do that, once again, the whole world will know that this is America the Beautiful.
And crown thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea. Self their country loved, and mercy more than life. America, America, good men thine every rule. Confirm thy soul with self-control, thy liberty in law. Oh, beautiful for age, a dream that sees beyond the years. Thine alabaster cities gleam, undimmed by human tears. America, America, God shed his grace on thee, and crown thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea.